Bro, it's time to dominate this year. But it all starts with your mindset. And without action, this year won't be yours. So make it count. I've been there, and today I'm sharing the game-changing secrets that turned my life around. Let's dive in and own this year. Mindset. It all starts with the right mindset. As someone who battled self-doubt, I find solace in the words of Tony Robbins. It's not the lack of resources, it's your lack of resourcefulness that stops you. Embrace challenges as opportunities. Learn from setbacks and fuel your journey with a mindset that sees possibilities where others see roadblocks. When I shifted my perspective from seeing failures as obstacles to viewing them as stepping stones, I witnessed a remarkable shift in my life. Every stumble became a lesson, every setback a setup for a comeback. Goal setting. Setting goals is easy. Achieving them requires strategy. Ask yourself, what's my big picture goal, and how can I break it down into actionable steps? To quote the great Zig Ziglar, if you aim at nothing, you'll hit it every time. Define your objectives, create a roadmap, and tackle each milestone with determination. I won't set a massive goal without a clear plan. Frustration set in as I stumbled through the process. When I started breaking down my goals into smaller, manageable tasks, progress became tangible, and success fell within reach. Productivity. Ever find yourself overwhelmed with tasks, unsure where to start? Enter time blocking, a game changer in productivity. Divide your day into focused time slots for specific tasks, allowing yourself to dive deep into each without distractions. As Benjamin Franklin wisely said, lost time is never found again. Learning. In a world that evolves rapidly, staying ahead means embracing a commitment to continuous learning. Jim Rohn's words echo this sentiment. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. Stay curious, devour knowledge, and invest in your personal and professional growth. I used to think formal education was the only path, but by investing time in self-education and staying curious, I unlocked doors I didn't know existed, propelling me towards opportunities I'd never dreamed of. Resilience. Life is unpredictable, and challenges are inevitable. The key is resilience. As I faced setbacks, I remembered the wisdom of Winston Churchill. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Life threw curveballs my way, testing my resolve. Through resilience, I not only weathered the storms, but emerged more resilient and determined than ever before. Meaningful connections. Success isn't a solo journey. It's about the relationships you build along the way. Jim Rohn's insight rings true. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you, forging connections that amplify your journey. I realized the power of my circle, surrounding myself with individuals who shared my vision. Together we became a force, pushing each other to new heights and celebrating collective victories. Remember, bro, it's not about avoiding challenges but overcoming them. Make this year the most important in your life.